name's Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today's video, this is my first makeup look for this Halloween of 2019 and I wanted to create a really quick and easy Scarecrow look. I thought this look would be really cute and fun for a lot of different Halloween events, and it's really easy to put on and you can glam it up or glam it down and you can really make it more towards what you like. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and if you like this, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as comment down below what you plan on being for Halloween this year if you celebrate it. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined already and hit that bell notification so you don't miss my upcoming Halloween videos, and let's jump into the look. Okay, so I started off with my base and my brows already done, and I'm going to go into some contour to try to add some more definition. So for my shadows today, I'm going to be going into the Morphe and James Charles palette, and you can always just use similar colors if you don't want to use the same shadows. So I want to have a simple eye look with this, since on a Scarecrow they usually don't have really detailed makeup, and so I'm first going to take orange and just blend that all out on my lid. I'm then going to take the yellow from the palette and blend that into the very inner corner into the orange. Then to make my eyes appear more big, I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and put that on my lower waterline. So I'm going to take a big fluffy brush for my lower lash line and then take the same orange and smudge that all out. I'm then going to take the same yellow that we used earlier in a bigger fluffy brush and then blend out the edges of the orange. Then going into my cheeks, and of course this is always optional, but I'm going to take some of the orange and lightly put it on my cheeks to try to make it go with the rest of the look. I'm going to concentrate a lot of the color on the very apples of my cheek to try to create more of a fake look. I'm then going to put a little bit on my nose just to create more of a sunburnt look. I'm then going to take some of the orange on my lips and blend it a little bit out of the lip line to make it more messy. I'm going to take some of the yellow and blend the edges. I then want to create some more dramatic fake freckles with this look, and so I'm going to be taking the Brow Cream by Morphe and Hazelnut and then dabbing that all over my face to create that. Then taking the Jet Eyeliner by Morphe, I'm first going to carve out the little stitch on my nose and then do the stitches on my mouth as well as my neck. Okay, so after I have that all done, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of orange and yellow into my nose as well as a little bit into my brows. I'm then going to take a tiny smudger brush and some black eyeshadow from the palette. I'm going to put that on my upper lash line just to make the eyes a little bit more dramatic. I'm going to apply some highlight to the high points of my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Champagne Pop. I'm then going to apply a light layer mascara, and for that I'm going to be using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I'm then going to apply some lashes to this look to really bring the drama to the eyes, and for that I'm going to be using the Morphe Lashes in Calabasas. I'm then going to do a light layer mascara to bring all my lashes together, and then I'm going to go do the final touches on my look. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, as well as subscribe if you haven't joined the family already. I do have some more Halloween looks coming up, and so please make sure to hit that bell notification so you make sure not to miss them, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.